Hyperbole and understatement. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. Hyperbole is an exaggerated statement that is not meant to be taken literally. It's used to emphasize a point or evoke strong emotions. Think of it as turning the volume way up on your feelings. For example, saying, I've told you a million times, isn't about counting. It's about expressing frustration or emphasizing repetition. Hyperbole grabs attention and makes everyday experiences feel larger than life. You will find hyperbole everywhere in literature, music, and even casual conversation. In Shakespeare's Macbeth, for instance, Macbeth describes life as a tale told by an idiot full of sound and fury, signifying nothing. This dramatic exaggeration captures his despair and nihilism after losing everything. Or think about pop songs like I Would Walk 500 Miles by the Proclaimers. Walking 500 miles is wildly unrealistic, but it drives home the depth of their devotion. On the flip side, there's understatement, which tones things down instead of amping them up. Understatement is when you deliberately make something seem less significant than it really is. It's often used to add humor, irony, or humility to a situation. For example, if someone says, it's just a flesh wound, while bleeding profusely, like in Monty Python and the Holy Grail, they are using understatement to create absurdity and lighten the mood. Understatement can also convey calmness or stoicism in serious situations. Imagine James Bond casually shrugging off near death experiences with lines like, just another day at the office. By downplaying danger, he comes across as cool and collected. Similarly, in Ernest Hemingway's minimalist writing style, characters often understate their emotions, letting subtlety speak louder than words. So, why do people use these techniques? Hyperbole and understatement serve different purposes, but both amplify communication. Hyperbole draws attention and intensifies emotion, making ordinary moments memorable. Understatement, on the other hand, creates contrast and invites reflection. It forces listeners to read between the lines and appreciate the weight of what is being said.